You're not investigating shit. You're standing out here doing nothing. And now I'm in handcuffs because some abuser that beat the shit out of me my whole life is now winning.
On November 20th, 2024, a man called the police because his toxic ex wanted to take her 2 kids. Everything was normal at first until this happened.
Kids, it's my day. He's being a jerk.
What's your name?
Angelica.
What's your date of birth?
Are you going to write anything down, or are you just going to, like, look at me?
I'm just verifying. Okay, what's going on today?
Okay, so it's my day to have my children, okay? He is speculating that I'm drinking and that I cannot have the kids. I went to the school to pick them up. He took them, and then I went in. His house is completely unlocked. So I opened the door, and I went up, and he called you guys right away. I said, good, call, please call. And he says, oh, she just put her hands on me. I'll show you pictures of how he put his hands on me. He broke my orbital bone. I'm done. And I'm not going to sit here, and I'm not going to... No. I need someone to come and remove my children from that house. I have the paperwork, everything. I need him gone. Because I want him gone out of their lives. That's
not something that I can do. You'd have to go to the courthouse for that.
Oh, you guys like to use your funny words. So it doesn't matter. Like, yeah, no. You can only do what you can only do. Okay. You act like you have all this power, but you don't. I want my kids out of that house into my possession because they are with me.
Listen,
yes.
Angelica.
Yeah.
Do you have a child custody agreement?
Yes.
Do you have it with you?
Yes, it's on my phone.
Okay.
So, will you take them and let me take them?
I'm not going to force any children. I need to see a child custody agreement unless the judge
are
signs that
just as useless as everybody else.
Okay.
No, I'm done. I'm done with all these idiots.
Who's on the phone with you?
My friend, to make sure that nothing happens like he says in there, oh, she hit me.
Can I talk to him, please?
Yeah, you're on speaker. He can hear you.
Hi, Deputy. I just was on the phone because Andy called me crying that Nick had picked up the kids on her day. And I said, well, make sure to keep me on the phone because he does make false accusations. And the last time that it was her time, that he came into her house and took the kids because the boys said, we want to come to your house, Daddy. So he came over, walked straight in her house without knocking and took the kids. Well,
he's calling like a little pussy bitch.
Let me finish. So then, Nick took the kids today on her day. And so the last time she spoke to a female officer, when this happened the last time, Angie said, well, if he takes the kids on my day, you're saying that I can go into his house and remove my kids? And she goes, yeah, you can do that just like he did with you. So it's her day. She has the custody agreement on her phone, and she wants her kids. And the boys are way too involved in this whole custody battle. It's been just terrible.
He doesn't care. He's basically like just scratching his face. He doesn't give a shit.
How old are the kids?
8 and 10. So they know how to manipulate also. I'm here. Yes. I'm getting my kids.
Do you have the child custody agreement?
Yes, I'm getting it right now. If you, I don't know, want to stop picking your face. No, I'm being mean? No, because nobody's been nice to me in this point,
I haven't been anything but nice to you, okay? I haven't yelled at you. I haven't done anything besides ask you your name, your date of birth, and what's going on.
I get it. I'm not happy, though.
I haven't done anything wrong.
Okay, but don't point the fingers at him. He has nothing to do with it.
No, I just want my children. I hate this person.
I haven't been in contact with him yet.
Yeah,
please. She says she has a child custody agreement. Today's her day, but she's trying to pull it up on her phone. What's going on, boss? How you doing?
All right. Yeah, I'm the one that called 911. I got a call from DCF today because she has had a lot of drinking and violence at the house.
Is it necessary to have him here?
Well, he's the witness to this whole thing. I'm not supposed to leave him inside alone. She came barging in, and obviously this is nothing that he hasn't experienced before. And he was the only one in the house at the time. He's scared to be alone right now. I was sitting on the couch. My door opened up. I thought it was my other son because he's hanging out at the neighbor's house. She comes barging up the stairs, smelling like alcohol, completely flipping out. I instantly called 911. And then she starts hitting me, pushing me, trying to break.
How did she hit you?
Punched me in the back because they told me to separate it, but I live on the second floor, so I kind of turned my back to her to stop so I can talk to 911, and she just kept punching me kind of like a Charlie horse in the butt. I don't need an EMT or anything, but this has been nonstop.
Did she supposed to have them today?
Technically, yes, but I got a call from DCF today that saying that they need to see the kids. There's ongoing investigations. Can I show you a video just from Monday, just so you can get a little context?
No, let's deal with them.
Okay. Here we are.
But I mean, DCF can't stop her from seeing the kids unless it's...
They can't, but she's wasted.
Okay, fine, I understand, but just know that DCF can't stop her if it's her day. However, if it's a court order, then yeah, it's different. That she can't see the kids or whatever. Then, but where were you?
She said, she got mad at my brother while she was drunk and started chasing him around the house. And
Today?
Yesterday.
What happened today?
What happened today? I was just watching some YouTube on my phone. My dad was just sitting on the couch, and then I just hear boom. I'm just sitting there until I hear my mom's voice and my dad yelling, and I come out. My mom saying, "Get over here now!" Like the only thing I could smell was like alcohol. Like she was really mean. She was like,
How do you know what alcohol smells like?
it's not like the first time it happened. It's happened like a bunch of times, like more than 10, like so many times. She's hit us. She's hit us, and no, it's not just discipline. She hits us like multiple times, but like it's just really difficult.
Did you see her hit Dad?
What?
Did you see her hit Dad?
Yeah, I was watching it then. He turned over and she's like, and then started punching his back and stuff and like all that.
How was he punching her? Like this?
Like
this?
Like fists, just jabbing, like once or twice on the back, and then he said, "Ow!" Like try to separate himself, but she kept trying to push and get in. And like I said, we were just like sitting on the couch, just relaxing, and then we just hear boom, and then all this happens.
Okay, just hang on tight here.
I want to press charges, by the way.
Well, it's domestic. It's normally...
If someone gets called, then someone
Sir,
gets arrested, right?
let me do my job.
I understand.
It's domestic. I know you're all hyped up. I got you. Don't worry. Just breathe and calm down. I got you. All right?
Yep.
So just hang on tight.
This little kid explained everything that happened the day before, and this was one of the reasons that got his mom pulled over. But when the officer confronts her with this, she starts acting, and her behavior prompts the cops to act quickly.
I'm so tired of people wronging me. I'm finally...
I understand. I want you to breathe, please.
Here, if you'd like to look at it.
Absolutely. Can I look at it?
Thank you.
You gotta do things a certain way.
I've already
obviously-
tried to play by the book, but he's a veteran, so everyone thinks he's fucking God's gift to fucking everything. I'm done. He's an abusive asshole. He's broken my face, broken bones in my face. I'm done. He got no repercussions for that. I'm over it. I want my kids.
Angie, let me ask you a question.
Yes.
If
Here's my phone. You can
What-
show you all the damage he's done to my face, but okay.
Okay. When you guys do the child exchange, he didn't deny that you have to have the kids. Okay?
Yeah, but he's accusing me of being drunk.
Let me finish it. He hasn't denied that you have to see the kids. To alleviate any issues for you, for yourself, okay? So you're not in this toxic environment like you call it. Why don't you do the kids exchange in a public area? Meaning
We usually do
the
it
sheriff's
for
office.
school. But today he picked them up before I did at school. I went to school to get them. And they were like,
And
they
you're
already got
supposed
picked up. He picked them up without my authority, yes, at school. That's why I came here. And his door was wide open. So what did I do? I walked right in. Because I knock on the door, door's open, I walk in. And then he's standing at the top and he's like, "You're assaulting me. This is assault." No. You pretty boy. You think that that's what you... No. I'm done. I'm done with the accusations and with the way he treats me and he gets away with it. I'm done.
From this point forward, why don't we do what I just said?
Why does he get to win again?
not
Why
win.
does he?
Doesn't
Yes,
win.
it is. Because my kids are now in an unsafe place and he's mad. So what's he going to do to them? And then guess what? If you have to come here with body bags tomorrow, that's going to be your situation.
I think a little too much.
If you've seen the things that he has done to my freaking face, you would not be saying the same thing that you're saying to me right now. Just let it go. Just let it go. Okay, just let it go. Okay, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna let it go. Let him get away with murder again. Children, right now, today. I don't know why you have all these cop cars here if you're gonna sit there and do nothing. Give me my children now.
We're investigating the incident that's occurring.
You're not investigating shit. You're standing out here doing nothing.
Talking to you, reading the agreement.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. So helpful.
I wouldn't do the 31 Delta way, but I wouldn't do the 31 Delta way. Now she's going. Where are you going?
See my children.
Ma'am,
Yeah. Call me
come
whenever
here.
you want. Alright, so back it up, okay? Go across, okay? I love you.
Get back over there.
I am. You guys act like I'm
She don't know how to swim.
fighting for my kids.
Huh?
You don't see very often.
I smell that there. I mean, it's food and stuff.
I want my kids. You read the paperwork, right? So you're facilitating that? You're not.
Talk to
I
your
want
friend.
my
She had
kids-
some very good advice for you.
Huh?
Talk to your friend on the phone. She had some good advice for you.
Yeah, just shut
Okay.
up, and I'm done shutting
Exactly.
up. Okay. Yeah. No, you're telling me to shut up too?
So
Please?
I said talk to your friend. That's all I said. Okay?
No. What you're insinuating is different. I would like to go to my house. I want to go home, but with my kids.
When they meet the father again, they show him a video that his son made when he was with his mom, and that changes the scene completely.
Mommy,
Yeah, what?
did you tell you're gonna run across the street?
Yeah, but he wants me to wait until he gets out of the shower.
Oh,
Why? What's the problem? You think you can do whatever you want when I go, or like what
No.
is it?
I was just wondering because I thought I heard something about like you going across the street.
Well, what I would like to do is go to the watch party and see the World Cup stuff. But if you guys are tired, I'm not going to deal with tired stuff. I'm tired too. I just trapped here again.
That occur?
This was Monday night, and this is the text of them sending me the videos at 6:37. It's getting out of control. I'm trying to call.
After the video, the cops realize something when the little boy shows them his body. This turns everything against the mother, so the cops make their move and arrest her.
Still have the bruise? Right in this area.
You see more on the picture than that.
Yeah. And this was yesterday after school, because he kept saying his chest hurt, and I wanted to at least document it.
All right.
So what's going on? You can't enforce the court thing.
Are you going to listen to what I have to say or no?
Yes, I would love to listen.
All right. So I have to step out of the car and talk to you. Come here and talk to me, please. Go ahead and turn around for me. Turn around.
I'm not
put your
getting
hands behind your back.
I'm getting arrested. For what? Are you kidding me? For coming to get my children? Can you shut off my car at least, please?
We will. We'll take care of it all.
What am I getting arrested for?
I'll explain to you in just a second.
No, you should explain it to me before you put handcuffs on me, shouldn't you?
Nope.
Hey, you want to use these?
They're smaller?
Yeah, they're smaller. My Smith & Wesson, they're smaller.
Yeah.
Smaller race. Those
Find
are
all
gonna be-
regular size. Thank you, sir.
I'll put this inside your vehicle, ma'am, and I'm going to shut it off, okay?
I don't understand. I didn't do anything.
We'll explain it. We're just trying not to make a scene.
You were making a scene. You just blocked me in.
You're being placed into handcuffs.
But I didn't do anything wrong. I didn't do anything. I didn't break any laws. I came to get my children. I'm the one that came here.
Hold on.
I'm just trying to protect my children. And you're leaving him with an abuser.
There's other ways to go about it, okay?
Yeah, there is. And I was told to come and call the police. But he called first. That's it?
No, we don't work on home calls first.
Yeah, you do.
No, we don't.
Depends on who you are. Yeah, you do. I want to know what I'm being.
I'm gonna explain it to you.
No,
right
you
in
should
the car.
explain it to me now.
I'm gonna explain it to you in the car.
You should explain it now.
Start walking towards my vehicle, or you're gonna get an additional charge.
Additional charge for
Yes,
what?
for
I didn't even
resisting.
do anything. I'm not
Start walking to my
resisting.
car.
You're just solidifying him being an asshole and letting my kids see me get arrested.
They didn't
Cool.
see you get arrested. Have a seat, please.
They understand.
Okay.
Yeah, you don't care.
So, do your kids know the truth and the lie? They know
Yes.
the difference?
Yes,
Okay.
they do.
Glad you said that.
And they sit there and they will love being at their dad's house because they get to play all the video games and all the things. And at my house, there's rules. And they've sat there and they've lied through their teeth.
Now, if you're taking a case number, please don't have a wait 3 month time for example. Any statement you make must be freely and voluntarily given.
I didn't break the law. I didn't do anything wrong.
I'm
And I
asking
want
if you-
and I want these handcuffs off me and I want to go home.
You have your
No, I have dogs at home. I have to feed them. I
You
have
have the
to.
opportunity to say anything you want. However, if we want you to either say yes or no that you understand your constitutional warnings.
Well, guess what? I didn't have a choice of being put in these handcuffs. I didn't do anything wrong. I didn't break the law. I did not break the law, sir.
Ma'am,
And now I'm in handcuffs
Ma'am, if-
because some abuser that beat the shit out of me my whole life is now winning and
your
sitting
kids-
there with
your
my kids.
Your kids are over here. They'll hear you.
They will not hear me. They're on the second floor. I know where the hell they are.
Angelica, did you want to speak about what's going on? Yes or no?
I do, but how
Okay,
come?
so you need to
I
listen
want,
to what I'm
but
asking you.
I would like to know.
You need to listen when I'm telling
Can you listen to me for
No,
1
you need to
second?
listen when I'm telling
Okay,
you.
well then I'm gonna walk out the car,
Ma'am.
and then
do not-
you can get me for
you do not
resisting or
wanna do
whatever.
that. You do
No,
not wanna do that.
I don't understand why you go and you talk to him and then you put cuffs on me.
She's refusing for
Okay.
I'm not. I'm just asking a question.
You think you think.
I
you're
don't
in
know
control.
why
It's
you
okay.
just no. You just talk to him and then all of a sudden
Put your feet inside the vehicle, please. Thank you.
I'm just asking.
After arriving at jail, the mother is charged with child neglect.